Welcome to the show. I just want to let you know a little mistake happened, and I'm going to let you guys benefit from this mistake. So as I was ordering my shirts, I ordered 3 or 4 different colors. One of the colors came in small. Really? They obviously don't watch my show. So anyway, I have a small version of this shirt. I got to give it away. I got to give it to somebody. So just write in the comment section that you want it. And guy, girl, I don't care. If you're small structure, it'll fit you perfectly. I believe it's purple, though. So I hope you like purple. They're sending me another one. And basically, there's no way a small would fit me. But anyway, so let's get to the program now. Because you guys got to be excited. Because, what is it? It's almost May 19th. It's probably past May 19th by the time you're seeing this video. This is a low-carb version as we celebrate Taco Bell bringing back Mexican pizzas. That's right. So I thought I would do somewhat of a low-carb, kind of a keto version, and I'll show you what I got, and I think I got, everything's good. You got onions and meat. Yeah, everything's cool. So come on in close. I'll show you all the ingredients. This is something you can make. Now, if you're watching this video before May 19th, because that's when they come back, it's like a really big deal, guys. Not to me. I never was a fan of Mexican pizza. But you guys literally signed a petition, millions of signatures, and brought it back. Congratulations. So let's do it right now. Have fun with this recipe at home and make it like you like it, all right? This is it, guys. Very few ingredients. Pretty awesome. So we've got, obviously, you got to have the taco sauce. There's a few different types of Taco Bell taco sauces. There's one that's kind of like a salsa bottle, but these are the ones I like, the mild and the hot. So we're going to use the mild in this video, all right? But I'll use the hot for mine later on if I would decide to have one. We're using that. We're using Rotel instead of, they tell you to do diced tomatoes. I like the flavor of this, so we're going to use Rotel for our diced tomatoes. You got this is Love and Fresh, low carb. You can get the Mission ones that are low carb, carb something. I don't remember. They say carb something. But this says low carb. This is the Aldi brand. All right? But you can get the low carb Mission ones anywhere you shop. We got scallions or green onions. We're going to be using the green part. All right? You got your meat. You've got taco seasoning right here and cheese. And we're going to, you can use anything you want. You want to use a pizza plate. I don't care. Anything that's oven safe. I'm using one of these round tins because the tortilla is round and it just makes sense. I'm going to stack it in here. And you do whatever you want, though, as long as it cooks. Right now, preheat your oven to 350. Let's get started. Here's your first step. Brown your meat. Use taco seasoning in your meat. You don't sprinkle it on the Mexican pizza. Flavor your meat because we got other things that are going to flavor the Mexican pizza, okay? So let's, this is a big bottle. You can use any brand you want. You can use the little packets if you want. But I'm using this big one that I have of taco seasoning, all right? Or you can make your own. I think I have a video where I made it from scratch. You can cook at any temperature. You're going to eyeball this dish, okay? So let's start with 1 tortilla in the pan. We're going to start with that. We got all our meat cooked. We're going to take a little bit of that. Sprinkle it in. Take the mild Taco Bell sauce. Go ahead and, whoops. Don't spill it like I just did. Kind of spread the love around there too. You see a little bit of heavy stuff. Probably want to grab a piece of meat and start spreading that stuff around. There we go. Take your cheese. Go ahead and grab your second tortilla. Kind of give it a good press. Break that meat up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to do the cheese first. All right, get the cheese on. Drizzle a little bit more taco sauce, but not as much. We got a lot on the bottom layer. So let's just be real gentle with this. Then you can take your green onions. Sprinkle those around. Okay, last step is your tomatoes. Wow, it's starting to look like one now, isn't it? You're going to pop this in the oven for however long it takes to get melted and a little golden on the tortillas and just delicious looking. You're gonna have to make that judgment call. So keep a close eye on this. 350, it won't cook real fast. It's a regular baking temp. Okay, so let's take a look at this. And I gotta say, I'm not sure which one looks better. I think mine looks better than Tammy's. I don't know, Tammy's got a little more golden brown than mine did. So I made one for Tammy because she's gonna be home in a little bit. All right, let's break this out. All right, I got it all cut up. You can see what it looks like right there. Pieces look beautiful. Oops, didn't separate very well. A little crispy on the bottom. So yeah, they came out nice. Let's give this a try. All right, guys. Well, it looks beautiful. I haven't had a Mexican pizza in a long time, so I'm gonna have to go by memory of what it tastes like. I think I've had twice in my whole life the Taco Bell Mexican pizza. May 19th it comes back. If it's already past May 19th, go to Taco Bell, grab yourself one. If you're watching your weight and stuff, do this low carb version, and I'm ready to try it out. Hey, it's holding up pretty good. Well, almost fell. Little sour cream on this, and it'll be beautiful. Once again, make it how you like it. Add what you want into it. That's kind of how you make it. Just like Taco Bell does. Or you can get the original. It doesn't matter. But in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy this. This is dinner. Tammy will be home for hers in just a little bit. I love you guys. See you on the next episode. Bye-bye.